In this video, I'll show you how you can fix unable to log in to Geforce Experience or the new updated app called Nvidia. Now the first thing you want to try is come here and search for services. In here, what you want to do is press anywhere and press N and find Nvidia display container. Double click this one and make sure it's on automatic and running. If it says stopped, just press start, apply and OK. Try and right click on it and restart and make sure it's still on automatic and running. Now if this still doesn't work, what you can try is come down here and click on make sure your time is the correct time. So for some reason, if you have accidentally set it on not automatic or you have not set the correct time for your time zone, it's not going to work for some reason. Now the last thing you can do is head over to a browser and search for Nvidia login. Choose just any login, and from in here what you want to do is simply log into your account from the browser, and then you can open up your Geforce Experience or your Nvidia and then log in. Now for some reason, and I don't know why, but if you log in somewhere else, it's going to give you access to log in from the app as well. So these are the ways that you can potentially fix this. I really hope this helped fix your issue. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.